Now we will place the resistor and diode for this reset pin. Just copy and paste from here. Control C and paste it here. Go to datasheet. We will place the ICSP and this jumper header now. Go to place parts, search for header 6. Now search for header 4. Select the component, right click, edit part. Now move this first pin to the left hand side, second here, third to the left, fourth here, fifth to the left, and sixth to the right side. Now you can delete the boundary here. Delete everything, expand the boundary. Now we will place our own boundary. And similarly for this jumper. So this is our ICSP header. Go to datasheet. Now for this jumper, you can see the 21st pin will be connected to the 19th pin. If we add a jumper here, so we will do the same. Just go to the wire. Connect 21st pin to the first pin of this jumper and second pin to the 19th pin. Go to datasheet, and next we will place this transmitter and receiver LEDs. Just go to the place part, search for resistor. Now search for LED. This resistor value should be 1 kilo ohm. And this will be our transmitter LED. Now make some space here for connection. I'll move this circuitry to the bottom. Now go to datasheet, check for the pin. This transmitter LED is connected to the 11th pin. So this is the 11th pin, and receiver LED is connected to the 10th pin. Now place a 5 volt power source. Now go to data sheet. Next is our transmitter and receiver pin for this IC. This is connected to pin number 8 and pin number 9 with 1 kilo ohm resistor. Just copy the resistor here. These wires I placed for net analysis.